Okay, do you want to put my elbow pads on? I'm going to put your elbow pads on. What are you looking for? Oh. Your elbow pad? That's it. Goes on your arm. Your gloves? Gloves? Where did the gloves go? I don't know. How about you put the helmet on? Whoa.
Mom.
You want me to put it on? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Are we going to play hockey? Where's your stick? Where's your stick? Oh, you need skates?